Well, I'm out here in the Elk Creek spot with my brother. Only got 3 GoPro batteries. The creek is up like 1 or 2 foot from when I, normally would wade it in. So my only worry is hopefully we don't get into a nasty spot and take a tumble, but I think I got everything waterproofed up. Maybe we'll catch a fish, but at least we'll be out of the house. I got 7.5 miles to go, and it's about 11 o'clock. So maybe all goes well and we'll have a good old time. I didn't die. Well, our first obstacle looks a little rough. We're gonna walk through it. I ain't trying to flip over. Did I just get my first creek smallmouth, or did I get a green sunfish? Green sunfish! That's a fucking toad too. Ah. You like that little 6th sense? Look at that toad green sunfish. Wow. Later, dude. Made it through there. I don't know why stuff like this terrifies me, but it does. It scares the crap out of me. Little baby smallie. Little baby dude too. Finally. He's fat though. Look at that little goober. Oh, calm down, you little goober. I wasn't ready for that one. Look at that little smallie. Come here, bud. Oh, you're so fired up. He fucking choked it, but it didn't get gilled. It's just like right on top of the roof of his mouth. But like way down there. Oh, that was cool. He had it in his gullet. And I seen him like regurgitate and the hook came out. Thanks, little dude. Oh, you're pretty. You got a couple bars on you. Later, gator. Yeah, they're in these bigger, deeper holes. Come here, buddy. You wanted it. Oh. My bad, dude. Black spot. Maybe black spot disease? I don't know. Nice. Yeah, they get that big white swim bait. Either way, them 6 cents divines, that's smallmouth candy. Come here, you little tyke. I gotta get you off before I go into a waterfall. Little shizer belly. Oh shit. looks juicy. Oh! You gotta keep her turning there, bud. Hell, you got it was safe for you. There you go, bud. Hold on there, bud. Woo! Oh shit! That ain't no good. Oh shit! 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 Woo! Oh, that'd be smallmouth in here, dude. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I felt it right there. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! That was a good one. Come here, little dink. About to crash into a tree. Thanks, broski. Yeah. He made it. I'm probably gonna be the one to go down. Oh. Ah. Big rock, big rock, big rock. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Whoa! Bro, watch out. Oh, this is a good one. My brother tied on a hellgrammite and then realized that you can't do it weightless because it don't sink. So he's been working that top water. He just got a big ass green sunfish. That's cool. That's good stuff. I got him. Big ass green sunfish. I thought I was getting nailed by a little dink monster. Look at you little colored up thing. Nice. Oh, I found a fishing pole with a fucking lure on it. What? I was looking at you and I just looked down. Somebody eat shit right here. That's a whole spinning combo, bro. One of them die wall reels like I used to have on a Zebco slingshot. It's got a wacky rig blue worm on it. What the fuck? That's kind of weird to see that just. I'm not about littering, but I really don't have the room and I don't want to take it out of here, so I'm gonna stand it up, straight up and down. And find a good spot to stand it. There we go. Stand it up right there. and the next guy that comes through that needs a fishing pole, he'll grab it. That's crazy. Look at this little tyke. Little bitty monkey. This is so much fun though. I could do this any day of the week. He's so fat. He's so fat. Shit, bud! Oh shit! What the fuck? God! Oh, got him. Come here, you little... Ah, he spit it. They're little fuckers. Yeah, I was seeing that earlier. There ain't shit over here on this side, though. Well, something just tried to hit it. I might have spoke too soon. Oh, it's a smallie, and I got him. I seen him come back up and get it. I seen him miss it, and then I seen him come back and come get it. That's crazy. Thanks, little dude. I've seen a lot of this black spots on the belly. Huh. Nice, thank you. Oh, he splashed. Dang, my brother's over there tearing him up on topwater hellgrammite, by God. That's crazy. That was a crappy skip. But it got me in the sauce. Oh, damn. Nice. Flying too fast. What are you even doing, bro? That's just too big for you. Way too big for you. What are you thinking? Look at this giant, abnormally fat green sunfish. Holy crap. Bro, you are freaking a toad. What? Get on off in there, man. Got him. Oh, and it flipped off, this little bastard. Come here, you little green sunfish. Another green sunfish. Oh, let me get you out of here, buddy. You all got this really good orange. Look how orange that fin is. I mean, dude. Later, dude. Look, you looky there. A little baby spotted bass. Look at him. He's so cute. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice comfy little rapid. Nah, we ain't. I think we...
That's about halfway, huh?
It might be a little more than halfway. Was that a spotted bass or a... We have a spotted bass. Or that's a largemouth, little baby largemouth, I bet. Colored up. Thanks for hitting it, bro. Oh God! Oh, rock, big rock, big rock, big rock, big rock. Oh, big rock. Oh, little rock. About rolled the kayak, filled it up with water. Took it forever to drain. Yeah, I thought I could make it. I didn't realize there's a freaking log laying across it. So heck, I tried to stop myself, got sideways, filled up with water. There you go. There we go. Little spot. Got that black stuff on him too. Huh. Later, homie. Come here, you little toad green sunfish. Well, they make them fat over here. What you doing eating that? You ain't got no business eating that. You big. You chunky. Later. You're in the jungle, baby. Alright, I switched to this rig my brother's throwing, the Nikko hellgrammite, but weightless. It floats a little bit, so we ain't got to skim hook it. We can leave some hook exposed. So it's like a topwater kind of. It floats, so just working it across. He's catching a lot of fish with it. I'm gonna see if I can get on some. Yeah, I think so. God bless. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Oh, big fat daddy getting up in here. Ah. I think we can make it down this, but I think, what do you think? We need to be trying to go right and hit that slow pull so we can get out of it. I don't know if that left side will just suck us down to that fucking waterfall or not. Might not be able to exit. Let me see. We'll back up and take a look at it. Yeah, it might be slow enough. Yeah, we should have plenty of room no matter what way we go down to exit. So if I remember right, down the left, there's like a waterfall or something down there where it goes left. So we're trying to make sure we can exit these rapids before we get launched over possibly what might be what I remember as a waterfall. I hope I don't die. He said there was a big old rock over there somewhere. Oh. I seen that big old rock. Yeah, we caught a couple smallies out of here. Bro, just caught, he had the biggest smallmouth caught of the day earlier, no doubt. The top water hellgrammite, definitely going to be the biggest of the day. Holy crap, that's the sauce right there, man. Look at that top water hellgrammite. That is crazy. That's cool. Hell yeah. Got him right off that log, didn't he?
Good.
Damn.
You seen that hit?
I didn't.
Aerial with it.
Did he?
Yeah,
I didn't see it.
that was wicked, bro.
Damn. Well, it wasn't really a waterfall, but it's some shit we probably don't want to try to go down. Too many big rocks. Oh! Got him! What the hell? He came back and nailed it.
That was a good one, too.
Yeah, he wasn't bad. Got him. That's more like it. Look at him right there. That is nice. That's what I'm talking about. Top water Nikko hellgrammite. What? What? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn. Even the green sunnies like the little hellgrammite. Whoop. Oh shit! Got him. Whoa. Little bitty tyke. Yeah. Thanks, buddy. You're fat. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, there's a big one. There's a big one. Oh. Oh shit. Woo! Watch it now, Dick. So let me get your head. I'm bad. I felt like I was getting close to you there for a second. Well, that's it. Sorry I didn't do a lot of recording the last part of the trip. We started feeling the pressure. The sun is starting to get low. But it was fun. Water's up. I think it was 7.5 miles. I'm beat.